Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to your math lesson. Please take out your book so we can continue to review Module 18. Ve y sacan los libros para seguir con Módulo 18. Okay, let's open up to this book. We had started our review. Let's continue. Let's look at number 6. Veronica goes to the movies at the time shown. Which time did she go to the movies? Well, let's take a look at the clock closely. I see that the minute hand, which is the longer hand, is pointing at the 12, and the hour hand is pointing at the 5. So if the hour hand is pointing at the 5, it must mean that she went to the movies at 5 o'clock. Pause the video if you need more time. Number 7. Marcy eats lunch at 12 o'clock. What time does she eat lunch? It says 12. Now I know that I'd be looking for a 12, but half past means that there must be more than 12. There's also 30 minutes. So let's look at our answers. I'm looking for a 12. Does this tell me 12? No, it says 11:30, so that can't be it. How about over here? I see 12, but where's that half past? Nope, I don't see 30 minutes here, so that can't be it. But if I look at this answer, I see 12 and 30 minutes, which means that it is 12:30. Let's look at number 8. Which clock shows 6 o'clock? Well, let's take a look at this clock here. Our minute hand, the longer hand, is pointing at the 12, and the hour hand is pointing at the 8. I'm looking for 6:30. That can't be it. Let's look at this clock. Our minute hand is pointing at a 12, and the hour hand is pointing at the 3. Well, I know I'm looking for 6 o'clock, and if it's 6:30, should my minute hand be pointing at 12 or 6? It's got to be pointing at the 6, so this is not it. Now let's look at this purple clock. I see the hour hand pointing in between the 6 and 7, and the minute hand is pointing at the 6, which is 6:30. So that's our clock. All right, we're doing a super job. Let's keep going. Number 9, which clock shows time to the hour? Now that's important. We're looking for the hour, not a half hour. This clock here on the purple is pointing its minute hand at the 6. That can't be right because when it's at the hour, the minute hand points at 12. So if I look at this red clock, that can't be right either because I still see the minute hand pointing at the half hour at the 6. But this yellow clock is looking pretty good. I see the hour hand pointing to the 3 and the minute hand to the 12. That means it's pointing at 3 o'clock on the hour. Pause the video if you need more time. Pausa el video si necesitas más tiempo para reflejar. Exit ticket. This is your chance, boys and girls, to show us what you've learned. What time does the clock show? Write the letter and draw the clock. ¿A qué hora muestra el reloj? Escribe la letra y dibuja el reloj. Make sure you take a picture of this exit ticket and send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. Tírale una foto y envía esta página solamente a tus maestros en Class Dojo. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining us in this video. I look forward to continuing to review everything we've learned on Module 18 in our next review video. Seguimos en el próximo video revisando Módulo 18. Gracias por acompañarnos.